Nice cough. Smokers cough, don't smoke, kids. Welcome, game developers, to Doug Teaches Ue5. Yes. Okay, so in this tutorial, we're going to be short and sweet. Essentially, we're just going to have a game over scene. Game over map, UI. Game over UI. That's like if we want to restart or just quit. Okay, so how will we do that? Well, for starters, we need to make a widget blueprint. Fucking overlay? I'll just call this game over. Should I come out with these tutorials on Fridays again? Well, I am torn between this and game development, and I'm in love with my game development. Does that mean the dev diaries are coming back? Hell yeah. When I deem necessary. So we're gonna have two buttons. Now, buttons are the... This is a button, right? Yes, it is. So, buttons, like usual, we're gonna need to fuck with its anchors. Let's just have it here. Let's make its alignment 1-1. And then I'll have it on the 0 position. Is that good enough? No. I need to... Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. Try to get this as centered as possible. Like that. In terms of, customizing your buttons, like style, we can have it. You can have your own custom buttons. What I mean by that is you can't have them being their own images. So, I mean, like, you can have an image here. I'll see. No, you jackass. You can click on this, and if you find any images, 2D images, you can have them. But essentially, you're going to need, like, an image for its idle, an image when it's clicked, etc. Okay, yeah, we're going to do that. Not really. I'm just gonna grab a random image just to show that you can do it. That's a shit image. I'm using default. Fuck you, fine, Mr. Picky. Is this a texture? Yes. There. How about happy? Okay. Very. Fuck you. Anyway. So let's click on that. And then, like, if you wanted to fuck with but, like, the thing is, seeing as how we have an image over this, we won't be able to fuck with its color. So I'm just going to take that and plop it in there, select that, and now we have, but there's no color. Well, yeah, because there's an image over it. Like, we'll take care of all that later. Like, first, for starters, let's have some text in here. Actually, let's scale this up. Wait, does that mean you have to move it again? Mm-hmm. That sucks. Yeah. It's not that bad. Like, it's not the end of the world. We just have to get this as centered as we can. Should we move it up on the y-axis too? We don't have to, but if you want to, you can. Let's see if we can have this as centered. So a little more. Yeah, that's about it. That's as good as we can get it. Okay. So you said put text in? Yeah. So we can plug text in. It automatically anchors because it can. Why is it red? We had the color selected. Ah. Right? Yeah. Well, yeah. You can just, if you want, you can... Bleh. Or if you want, you can... Bleh. Yeah, I'll keep it red. Well, actually... Huh. What does it... Does it auto... Does it auto? Huh. What? That's new, I think. Well, I'll look into that later. Problem, I'll just say, restart. And then we can just copy paste this entire button. Copy. It won't paste in the same spot. Like if we right click here and hit paste. Why is it over there? I don't know, it just does that. Oh, okay. Is there anything we can do to move? We're obviously going to have to move this down. Now, we're going to have to move this downtown. Get this back 1-1, and then we just have to move it. Let's move this. Let's move this down. Downtown. Down to clown. Okay, so, but the font this time is going to say exit game. Okay, so how do we? What else are we gonna put in? Oh, we'll have a random text that just says game over. Ah, okay. Yeah, let's just have that. Game over. And then let's scale this up. Where is the size? Yeah, I'll anchor this, even though I don't want to. Why? Because they already, because I'm assuming the students already get it. What if they don't? What if they don't? I won't bother with the alignment, though. Normal line, fuck with the color. With the font color. Okay, so on restart, we want to scroll down. We have a nice wad of events. I'm going to hit use on clicked plus that bastard. We want to just say unclicked, but oh yeah, button 0. I gotta show off where they can the naming convention. If you don't want to follow a name, if you don't care about naming conventions, that's fine. But if you do, up here is where you can rename shit. So I'll just say restart BTN. If I'm gonna leave this as is for obvious reasons because it's just time consuming. So we click out, we drag this out, we type in open level by name. We can open a level by object reference? Yeah. You want to do that? No. Why? We're just going to reopen this stage. Do we know the stage's name? In the first person example map, I'm just going to type in first person. Yeah, first person example map. So I click this, I'm just going to hit F2, copy the text, and then on none, I'll just paste it in. Now we go here, and here, click on the exit button, or button as it's called, and I click on clicked. Hold on, what is it? I think it's just quit game. Yeah, quit game. There we go. Ooh, specific player. Well, yeah, it takes into account, if it's multiplayer or not. A lot more reason you should do co-op. No. Hold on. That piece of food stuck in my teeth. Oh, God. That sandwich was awesome. So, in our rail shooter character, I'm going to go to event tip. I'm going to go to event tip, right? Okay. We're going to get our HP. We're going to ask if it's less than or equal to 0. On true, we are going to get our player controller. First thing we want to do is, you might think we want to create new widget. First we have to remove all widgets. Why? Because if you create another widget, it's literally just going to add it on screen. Now, remove all. Remove widgets. Shit. I'm trying to remember the name to it. You can remove the blackboard. Wait, you can remove the capsule component. Yeah, but... Shit. Widgets. Create widget. Anti-context sensitive. I'm trying to remember the actual syntax for it. Widget. Widgets. Oh, I didn't need the player controller this time. Okay. Wait, no, I never needed it last time either. The fuck? Oh. Well, whatever. Point is, like, oh, right, because I can. Because I can do this on event construct. Just remove all widgets. Yeah, I could just do it on event construct in here. Sorry, people. Either way, I'm leaving this in here. Oh, serious? Yeah, fuck that. Alright, I'm going to take context and set up again. Create widget. That's going to be game over. Next, just game over, not game over screen. What's game over screen? I think that's from Ninjas vs. Robots. Alright. And then I'm just going to add to viewport. So let's compile. And let's play. So obviously I'm going to kill these two bastards. Leave the health pickup alone. Let this dude kill me. Oh, right.
Wait, what? Is he still moving?
Yeah.
Why?
Because we didn't set game to pause.
Do we want to do that?
We can. I'll just... I'll set game paused. I'll just set it paused.
Oh, okay.
God, that sandwich was great. I love spicy sandwiches. It's nice to actually go to a place that serves spicy food. So let this asshole kill me. Boom, jams. And then, boom, jams. So we're paused. So now we can restart or exit. If we hit restart, the level opens up again.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Now keep in mind, you do want to add like a loading screen, because depending on the level, it could be the load time can take forever in a fucking day. And if we just hit exit game, does exactly that. We quit the game.
Cool. So what else is in store?
I mean, next week we can create a main menu. I'll probably get around the quick time event soon-ish, because right now it's just the one. We're gonna have to have two melee dudes as well, because the melee dudes have to damage us, so we have to make sure that happens. So most likely, here's what's gonna happen. Next week is the main menu. So we're gonna make a main menu for our rail shooter. It'll give you some options, or I don't know. Either way, it's just gonna we'll have that background music for whatever. Anyway, I'll show off how to do all that, and then with that in that same video, we'll have the two melee dudes and the ranged dude spawning, and we're gonna have to reset our kill count, obviously, and then that'll be that. Then the week after that, I guess we can tackle like quick time events in a boss battle.
Okay, so end it here?
Yes.
There you have it, game developers. Tune in next week for Doug Teaches Ue5.